What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and in this video I have another 10 tweaks to show you guys that are really awesome. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So the first tweak I want to show you guys is called BatteryNotch. You see, look right around the notch right here, you see this little green, so that's the battery. So basically on both sides it will basically come down, just basically come down like that and come down like that all the way until it's in the middle. That's when it's on like 20%, so basically it will just come down slowly. So right now it's at 90%, so it's barely down. And yeah, it's just battery notch. It just basically the battery just take up that notch, and you could actually change the color. So if I go to settings and I scroll down, where's it at? So if I have used fixed color turned on, you could see the color change. And if I want to change it to whatever, I want to change it to blue, you could see it change to blue. But once you turn that off, it just stays on green. So you could set it up like that. So yeah, that one is called BatteryNotch. And if you don't have an iPhone 10 and you want that same kind of effect, you could use BatteryBar. So number 2 is BatteryBar. It's for all the other phones without the notch. It just runs along the top of the status bar all along the way. So yeah, next one, that one is called BatteryBar. And my next tweak is called Carrierizer, whatever it says. But yeah, that's how you change the Carrier logo. So on the iPhone 10, because you don't really see the Carrier logo, you see it on the lock screen. So you could see it right up there. But once it's open, you don't really see it. But whenever you bring down Control Center, you could see it. So basically you guys could just go in there and just change it to whatever. So you would just type it in. So I'll put this dolphin and a chicken and some rice, and then you hit return. You have to hit return. Once you hit return, then you restart your springboard. And as you can see right there, I have the dolphin and the chicken right there. Pull down, there you go. So that one is called Carrierizer. And my next one is called FlashTap. FlashTap basically is a lock screen tweak. Once you triple tap on the lock screen, the camera, the flashlight turns on or off, just like that. So that one is called FlashTap. And the other one is called Kill Background 11. Kill Background 11. If I want to kill all the apps at once, I just swipe up, and if you look in the corners, you can see I have like an X right there. I just tap on that, boom, and all my apps are gone. So that one is called Kill Background 11. And my other one is called CCWallCustomizer 2. CCWallCustomizer, that's how I got that picture right there. So if you want to add any picture to your control center, that's how you do it. So if I go to settings, here it is right here. You could enable it, pick an image, no crop. I'm gonna say no crop. You go right in here. Let me choose this one right here. So I'm gonna choose. I just chose a different image. Phone resprings as soon as you choose the image. Boom. And now you have a total different paper, a wallpaper, or picture behind your control center. So yeah, that one is called CCWallCustomizer 2. And then the other one is called Zen. Zen is basically a widget tweak. Zen is a widget tweak just like this. You see I have this little weather widget right here. Right now it's not showing the weather at my location, but to fix that, it's real simple. All you do is just open up the weather app. Just open it up, and then after a while it's gonna give you that widget right here. And you can go to settings. Let's go to settings. You go to XenHTML. You have the lock screen. You got a home screen and the lock screen. I don't have one on the lock screen. I just have it on the home screen. And you guys could take a look at it before you do it, just like that. You could choose a widget. You could kind of move it around. And then you would hit accept, and then you could go in here and switch up certain things. And you could actually download a lot more themes. So So you go to more widgets, then all these repos right here, you could go in these repos and you could download a bunch of different themes to add to it. So you could, if I go to my lock screen right here, then you want to enable it. After you enable it, got the one right there, hit accept. When I go to my lock screen, I should see that widget right there. You can see it. So that's how you add certain widgets to your phone. It's real cool. And for the weather, as I said, all you have to do is open up your weather icon, and after a while it will just automatically adjust to your temperature of wherever you're located. So that one is called XenHTML, and then my other one is called XBViberCall. XBViberCall. This one is hard to demonstrate, but what this does is basically whenever you're on a call and somebody hangs up, your phone will vibrate, so you know the call ended. And whenever you're calling somebody, as soon as it connects, your phone will vibrate. There's another tweak like this, but yeah, this one is new. This one is called XBViberCall. So it does, your phone just vibrates, and whenever it connects, and vibrates whenever it disconnects, and you actually could go to settings and configure it however you want it. So yeah, and the other one I want to show you guys is called SmoothCursor. So if I go to my notes right here, and I could just type in anything, the cursor just moves smoother. It's not jumping, it just glides across the screen. A lot smoother than how the stock iOS does it. Hence the name SmoothCursor. It's kind of hard to see, but you will notice it. If you compare two different phones side by side, you would definitely notice it's a lot more smoother and it does better overall. So that one is called SmoothCursor. And then my other one and last one is called ForceAppLang. ForceAppLang basically lets you switch the language of certain apps. So you don't have to switch the whole language on your whole phone. You just do it on certain apps, and you could see some of it is kind of, if you look at Twitter right here, some of it is in like Spanish. So I switched mine to Spanish. Not all the words will be switched over, but like the main words. So if I go to search, like it's just some of the stuff is is switched. Like up here usually it says like timeline or whatever it says right here, I don't know, but it just switches it over. And you see right in here it's in a different language. And my weather, if I go to weather, where's my weather at? You can see some of it is in a different language, just like that. And it's really easy to switch them up. So if I go in here, I could go to ForceAppLang, which is right here, and you're gonna choose your language. So if I choose, so right now I have mine on Spanish. So if I choose Italiano, just like that, and then you could choose the apps that you want to do it. So if I want, I already have like weather. Let's do Amazon. Let's see. And what you have to do basically just close all the apps. So if you're in an app, just close that app, and when you open it up, it should be. So I guess this one didn't switch, so let's go to weather. So let's go to Amazon, see if anything changed. Not really, but yeah, it works in some apps, and you guys could test it out and let me know. The first release of this worked really well. They updated it, and then it kind of went downhill after that. But yeah, ForceAppLang, definitely check it out. You guys could go in there, and if you want to get rid of all the stuff, basically just hit reset settings. And once you hit reset settings, everything should just go back to normal. Once you hit reset settings, everything should just go back to the way it was, just like that. No more. Everything just go back to the way it was. So there you go, guys. It's Prince with ATP 101. Let me know which one is your favorite. My favorite right now is the weather widget and also the battery notch. So there you go. It's Prince with ATP 101. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching.